Alright, Seeker crew, let's talk about a few dApps you can spin up on your Solana Seeker that are actually worth your time if you care about staying active, having fun on mobile, and putting yourself in the mix for rewards and airdrops. I'll walk you through each one on its own, then tie them together so your flow on Seeker feels natural. Set your identity, get your wallet and base yield in place, trade when you want, play when you're bored, and even get credit for your steps. Let's start with Marinade.finance, because staking is the quiet engine that keeps everything else ticking. Now, Marinade gives you two main paths. With liquid staking, you deposit SOL and you receive mSOL, which keeps earning staking yield while staying tradable and usable across Solana DeFi. If you'd rather keep plain SOL and spread it across many validators, Marinade native handles delegation while you keep control of your stake account. Now, their site spells out instant mSOL liquidity, DeFi uses, and features like protected staking rewards and an auction that lets validators bid for stake, which can add extra rewards. Now, do your own risk checks, but if you're already staking elsewhere, this is worth a look. And when you're ready to swap, route, or even trade futures, Jupiter is the all-purpose stop. It's Solana's leading aggregator, stitching together prices from a bunch of on-chain venues so your swap can take the best path across order books and AMMs. Now, Jupiter also has perps for Sol, BTC, ETH, and more, plus the LFG Launchpad where new tokens have debuted on their community watch. Now, on mobile, the dApp has had a major upgrade this year, and for airdrop hunters, the big story keeps being Jupiary, now the project's annual distribution. And there were confirmed JUP distributions in January of 2025 and plans laid out for 2026, with activity on Jupiter products and DAO participation mattering for eligibility in past rounds. Now, if you're aiming to position yourself, real usage is the North Star. Swapping, trying perps carefully, and being part of governance are the usual signals teams look at. And for a little bit different, Metal.fun. Think your trading powers up your character. Not in a metaphorical way, but literally. Metal tracks your on-chain trading volume and converts it into boosting points that buff traits like health, armor, speed, and luck inside a Vampire Survivor style game. You trade, then jump into a run, mow down monsters, and try to outlast waves. It's a tight loop, and the team has been running campaigns with outside partners. Now, one recent example offered a pool of metal points as rewards. Now, the project has also indicated availability for Solana mobile users, which is nice for Seeker owners who want to keep everything on device. Now, if you like the idea of trade and play, it's a playful way to keep your on-chain activity sticky. Scrolly goes after the part of your day when you're doom scrolling away. It's a playable feed where you can flick through short, casual games, lock onto one you like, and chase a spot on live leaderboards. The site talks up weekly resets with prizes for top players, and the team has flagged that they're live in the Solana mobile dApp store. It even includes a wallet in your player profile so you don't have to bounce between apps just to collect or spend small rewards. So if you're the type who checks your phone in short bursts, this is a low friction way to stack game activity that may connect to seasonal rewards. It's actually my most favorite dApp on the Solana Seeker, and I use it every single day just to blow off some steam. Speaking about blowing off steam and getting physical, Moonwalk Fitness pays you in something even better than tokens, which is consistency. You join step-based games with friends, set a daily target, and put skin in the game with a small deposit in Sol, USDC, or Bonk. Now hit your goal and you keep your funds. Miss too often and you forfeit part of it to the pot. Now, what makes Moonwalk stand out for Seeker owners is a current Seeker-only perk, a 20% fitness XP boost through January 1st of 2027 when you verify Seeker ownership. Now, XP fuels levels in leagues, which the team hints are tied to future reward games. Now, if you're already out walking, this is an easy way to turn steps into on-chain progress with a clear rule set and anti-cheat checks. You can even connect it to things like your Garmin watch so that the activity you have there will be synchronized with the dApp, a perfect way to get around. The next one is a backpack, and it is your wallet, and if you want it to, your exchange. Now, as a wallet, it's known for XNFT support and a clean mobile setup that plays nicely with Solana Mobile. As an exchange, Backpack runs ongoing point seasons and achievements tied to listings. Now these recent campaigns handed out tokens like ES and SWTCH to active users and badge holders. Now Season 3 of the points program is live right now with rules posted on their support pages and a real-time points dashboard. Now for airdrop-minded users, this is a straightforward play. Sign up, trade with your limits and watch for listing-specific quests. Now Backpack coverage often pops up in the Seeker story as well, since it's highlighted as a first-class wallet experience for Solana Mobile. Now the following dApp is rumored to have an airdrop. Now we're talking about SolMail or Mail.fun, and this dApp is about identity and messages that travel with your wallet. You claim an @sol.mail ID that functions as a login across dApps and games, and that ID is minted on Solana. The team's docs call it a universal Web3 login for the ecosystem, and there's an active mail token on Solana that tracks to the project's protocol. Now for airdrop hunters, early identity systems can sometimes turn into allow lists and promos. No promises, but claiming your name while it's still early is usually low effort and future proofs your handle on mobile. Now let's blend this into a Seeker-friendly story. Start by claiming your digital identity with SolMail, so you've got a clean login across apps without juggling signups that make Backpack your daily driver. Set it up on Seeker, so swaps, signatures and app connections are just a couple of taps. With the base layer in place, point some Sol to work in Marinade. And if the migration window is open for you, that MNDE boost is exactly the kind of limited promo that pairs well with a mobile-first routine. When you feel like trading, route through Jupiter for swaps, and if you know what you're doing, sample perps in small size to build real activity. Jupiter's track record with Jupuary shows they watch platform use. Now keep in mind though, I'm not a registered financial advisor and nothing here is financial advice. Make sure to do your own research and to consider all of this gambling. Now while that runs in the background, keep things fun. Rack up boosting points on Metal.fun when you're active on-chain and jump into a survival run. When you're in scroll mode, Scrolly's feed gives you quick hits with weekly leaderboards that reset, so you're never late to the party. And when you're out for coffee or commuting, let Moonwalk log your steps and stack XP, especially while the Seeker boost is live. Now that whole loop fits into one device, and most of it ties back to programs where early consistent users tend to be the ones that the teams remember when they ship rewards. Now we've got a bonus one as well, which is Crypto Fantasy League, and it's a Solana game where you draft a squad of real crypto tokens, face other managers and see your match results, track live market moves. Built with mobile play in mind for Seeker owners. Now it's listed in the Solana mobile dApp store, and the team runs in-app promos like a share to earn button for winning posts and referral drives surfaced on their feed. Now the developers have also stated they haven't launched a token, so stick to the official Seeker listing and CFL.fun links when you jump in. Now they announced an airdrop, so get it while it's hot. Now a quick word on expectations though, since we're talking about airdrops. None of this is guaranteed. Teams change criteria and timelines, and scammers try to spoof claim pages. Stick to official links, double check domains inside the Seeker dApp store, and don't rush approvals. Make sure to follow my socials and to subscribe to my channel so you'll stay updated on the latest news. Now Jupiter has published active airdrop seasons before. Backpack shows live point seasons and achievements payouts. And Moonwalk's Seeker XP boost has a clear end date. Marinade's migration page displays an active cap and countdown, and those are all the kinds of details you want to see before you put in time or funds. If you want a simple starting plan for this week on your Seeker without overthinking it, here's a spoken checklist. Claim your @sol.mail name, install and set a backpack, stake some Sol with Marinade so you're earning while you tinker. Do a couple of real swaps on Jupiter, try one metal run after some trading, log a few Scrolly games to touch your leaderboard, and join one Moonwalk game to bank XP with that Seeker boost. Keep it light, keep it real, and keep it on mobile. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Doei!